So what does it mean when your engine knocks? Any qualified mechanic will tell you there's a problem. Obviously, there's a problem. Three things. It could be the wrong fuel octane, carbon buildup, or bad spark plugs. Let's take a closer look. Now, a combustion engine is supposed to run smoothly from startup to shutdown. Occasionally, an engine will produce noises that are difficult to diagnose. Sometimes, when you hear a strange sound coming from under the hood, you may not know what to do. A quote, knocking sound is the most typical engine noise indicating a mechanical problem that can be fixed if diagnosed correctly and early. Knocking, also described as pinging, can mean one of several problems. Some may be easily fixed, while others may indicate major damage. The knocking sound often occurs when the air-fuel mixture is incorrect, which causes the fuel to burn in uneven pockets rather than uniform bursts. Left untreated, it can cause damage to the piston and cylinder wall. A knocking sound can also be caused by a lack of lubrication in the upper cylinder head area. This is typically a ticking sound created by valves and lifters that are loose or not receiving enough oil. So here are the three common causes of ignition system and fuel-related engine knocking. Number one, fuel has a low octane rating. If you put in fuel with an octane rating too low for your vehicle, it can create a knock. An octane rating is the measure of a fuel type's ability to resist premature detonation of the air-fuel mixture in the engine. The combustion causes a knocking or pinging sound that you hear. So to prevent this from happening, use gasoline with an octane fuel rating at or above what the manufacturer recommends. An octane booster, which can be bought at an auto parts store, can help restore the correct octane rating and stop the knocking. Number two, carbon deposits restrict the efficient burning of fuel. Fuels for vehicles are required to have a carbon cleaning detergent, but they may not prevent carbon deposits from forming. As fuel mixes with oxygen, it is burned. Since gasoline and diesel are made up of multiple carbon molecules, the residue of carbon will form on valves, spark plugs, or other components involved in the combustion process. This reduces the amount of volume inside the cylinder and increases the amount of compression. In most cases, using a special fuel injector cleaner or additive designed to clean carbon deposits on engine components can resolve this issue. And finally, incorrect spark plugs or wrong spark plug gap. If any spark plugs other than what is recommended by the manufacturer is used, it can cause the knocking sound you hear. The spark plug has a certain heat range, which means it withdraws heat from the combustion chamber. Using the wrong part can prevent it from working correctly. It's also common for engine knocking to occur when the spark plug gap is not correctly set. The spark plug gap is a place where the spark plug ignites the air-fuel mixture that helps power the car. Too narrow of a gap creates a spark too weak to perform this task, and too wide of a gap may stop a spark from firing at all, or to only misfire rapidly. So resolving these types of engine knocking problems is usually rather simple and something most car owners can do themselves, like you. In other instances, it might be a good idea to contact a professional mechanic to correctly diagnose the source of the knocking and recommend the right repairs. So that's what it means when your engine knocks. Big thanks to yourmechanic.com for the information behind this story. You can find a link to their website and more by clicking the link in the description below this video. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching. Adios. Hey, I want to let you know about a new feature on everymandriver.com. It's a car payment calculator you can use anytime when you're trying to figure out what your potential loan amount is and the monthly payment figure. So what you do is you type in the vehicle price, your down payment, trade-in figure, sales tax, interest rate, and the term of the loan. Click calculate, and then you'll figure out the loan amount and the monthly payment. It's a free tool now available on everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.